Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Bahirwal. Welcome to Salesforce SKUID series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create model, how to get data from Salesforce or some other data source and showcase that data in your SKUID page. So let's get started. Here I have a page as contact page and I will just go to this model section to create a model to fetch data. So I'm gonna create this add icon. So let's say because the page is contact page, let's try to fetch contact records here. So I'm just gonna give the name as contact model. Data source type I'm selecting as Salesforce. Okay, and object name I need to provide that would be contact. Okay, model behavior basic, query on page load, that should be fine. Maximum number of records, that should be fine. Okay, once that is done, click on the fields. So as you can see, the contact, as I've selected, the fields of the contact object start showcasing on this fields tab. Once I click on this, on the right side you can see all the contact related fields are I'm able to see now. So let's say which fields I want this contact model to hold. So I need to click on those checkboxes. So once you click on the checkbox, on the left side you can see the fields will start showing on the left side. So let's say if I select on assistant font, then assistant font will come over here for me to use in the SKUID page. So let's say I'm selecting account ID, contact ID I can select, email, full name, or maybe title. Okay, these fields are sufficient for now. In the selected fields, you can see whichever fields you have selected, which is contact ID, email. These fields we have selected, so we can see here. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's show this data in a table format. Okay, so to do that, I'll go to this components tab, and here I'm just going to search for table. I'll drop this table here. So in the table properties, you need to define the model from which your data will be coming. So in this page, there is only one model, which is contact model. So that is already selected. So read with inline editing, I'm keeping as the mode. Allow user to sort, that is fine. Then save and cancel button, so I can do the inline editing and save the records. So that is fine. Now on the table, so far there is nothing. Then you need to add the fields on your table. So here from add fields, I will be selecting model fields. So these are the fields which you have selected when you have configured the model, and from the model which fields you have selected, only those fields you can see under the selected fields tab. And if you want to see all the fields, then just select all fields here. Okay, so I'm just going to select from the selected field. So I'm selecting all of them. Okay, click apply. So as you can see, now these columns can be seen here. I'll just save it and click preview. Now as you can see, the table is ready to use. You have all the columns: full name, contact ID, account ID, email, title, and you have a pretty stylish tabular format which you wanted to create. You have the navigation for page navigation 1, 2. You can select more rows here. Okay, now let's try to do inline editing. Let's say, or let's say I'm going to change this account from this to gene point, click save. There you go, it is done. So that's how you create model and get data from that model in your SKUID page on a specific component. Okay, now let's try to, or I'll cover that in next video. I'll get data from a REST resource. I'll create the model for that and showcase in the similar format of table. So that was all about this video. If you like it, please like it and comment on it. For more, please subscribe my channel as Abhishek Bagerwal. Thank you.